hours trek. Finally we did it. ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್. So from the top of the bridge, now we are getting down. So the route is like this. It's not the same route which we come up. See the trekking downhill. How we have to get down. I'll ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ route. ಅದು ಬೆಟ್ಟನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. Finally we have reached down and you can see the train is passing there. See the sound of the falls, guys. So this is the falls. We are having some fruits and bread and jam for our breakfast here. Later while going also they will provide breakfast. Bread jam.
There's no jam in my breakfast.
I have seen. चलो ये सराउंडिंग में डालो. ಫಿಶು ಬರೀ ಫಿಶು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಶು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ರೇ ಎಗ್ರೇ ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್. ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೀನರಿ. Sitting in the office 8 hours, 10 hours, working day and night like donkeys.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense. So guys need to travel. Once you travel, you will understand the value of it. Enjoy Dhudhsagar Waterfalls in cinematic mode. Okay, bye bye Dhudhsagar. All okay? I think we are almost down. Do these adventurous things. Jump. I thought we have almost done, but no. We came to the point, the entrance of Dhudhsagar. You can see there. Hello, video. Woo! Hey, Kutta. Finally, we did uphill and downhill. And how is your experience, man? Huh?
It was one time we can reach here.
So, if you guys are planning to trek like this, please come in weekdays. Do not come in weekends, because there will be too many people in weekends. You cannot enjoy the falls too much. Too many people, you will not find the place to sit there, take some few pictures, take some few videos. You will not find good place. So come in weekdays. Do not come in weekends. So thank you. Visit again. So we are trekking back now to Kulem. Again here, I think it will take around 2 hours, 1.5 hour to 2 hours. So let's go. So we are trekking back to the stay to Kulem, around 10 kilometers.
He's from Mumbai.
Take udhar da.
Bye bye Dhudhsagar. We'll meet next year hopefully. But next year we'll come in July, so that there will be too much of water. We'll not go up this time, next time. It's raining. Finally this bridge came. Wait for me, dude. Woo. आ जाओ जल्दी आ जाओ. So finally we came to breakfast point and we are having Mountain Dew, and we ordered one Maggie, 5 plates Maggie for 5 people. This is not water, this is completely sweat.
They also got stuck there.
Fine ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
Fine.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು?
Per person 100 rupees.
ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ?
So when we went out, then you guys reached there.
ನಾವು ಗೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟು ಲಂಚು ಸ್ಟೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾವು ಒನ್ ವೇ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ನಾವೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್ ಒಂದು 3300 ಆಯಿತು.
500 ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ತತ್ಕಾಲ್ ಏನೋ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಟೋಟಲ್ 800 rupees. So at 12:40 we are having breakfast. Our official breakfast this is. That's just we bought a normal bread jam and some fruits. This is our official breakfast at 12:40. This is our breakfast. Breakfast at 12:45. Finally we got brunch it is. Official breakfast Maggie. How is Maggie? How it's tasting?
Okay, not that much food, not that.
So let's taste this. After that, we'll continue our trek. It's average. It's average. It's not that good, it's not that bad, but it's average. So breakfast ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, we are done with the breakfast. Again climbing ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು. See this route. Again track, we came to track. Few meters, we'll reach the starting point where we started.
Somebody you love for this long and all of a sudden then you're like,
Oh, finally we are exiting the track. Ah. Yes, finally we came to our starting point. Where are these people? Okay, they are still coming behind. So it's approximately 2 p.m.
Yes.
So the trek started at 6 a.m. from this spot.
8 hours.
So it is ended at 2 p.m. So approximately how many hours? 8 hours. 8 hours it took for us to trek Dhudhsagar. So we saw totally 3 points. One is full above the bridge, mid of the bridge, and the full. One more. Everyone say hey. We did it. We did it.
yes, finally.
8 hours, 24 kilometers trek. Finally we did it. So all the body parts screw is loose now.
Thanks to Utpal Bhaiya.
Thanks to Utpal Bhaiya.
Arey, do you had temples kind of places that you used to visit, no?
Idhar hi hai train. This is the Kulem station. Okay. So right now we are in Kulem station. Now we are going for lunch, bro. Shall I close? Bag ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವನಾದ್ರು ಡೆಬ್ ಬಿಟ್ರ ಅದೇ ಗೋವಾ ಅದೇ ಗೋವಾ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲ್ ಇರಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಗೋಪ್ರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಚಾರ್ಜರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಐತೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಜಂಗಲ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಂಚ್ ನಾವು ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೈಸ್ ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ತೋರ್ಸಪ್ಪ ಸಿ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ this is what you will experience in rainy season. That too, it's not too much rain, very minimum rain, but it was very, very good trekking. This is the first time I am doing in my life. So this is our lunch, rice and dal. And one parota is also coming on the way. Correct now? How is the taste? Manageable? Yeah, it's good. The lunch is good. We are done with our lunch. That's fine. We are done with our lunch. And now we are heading to our jungle resort. And we'll take some rest. Okay? Let's go.
सिर्फ पूछा कुछ चाहिए.
Get in fast.
Close the door.
In this whole day, we are seeing sunny, right? Now we are seeing sunny.
Actually, there.
Shut up. Papa, ಅದು ಕಾಲು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. You have the keys? So they are planning to do many things. A small pool, a big pool, and some kids play here. This is a kids playing area. So many plants are there. Now the first thing I have to do is take bath and sleep for at least 2-3 hours, because yesterday in train no sleep and for morning no sleep. It's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon, 2:45, 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So I will take a bath and sleep now for 2-3 hours. See, this is our stay. You want me to carry that? Give. I was just speaking, that's it. So this is our stay. It's quite neat. In this place, getting this kind of stay only is very difficult. So this is the best stay in this place because this is completely in jungle. Okay, I'll just show the washroom so you guys can see. Little space is there. You have shower, you have geyser, you have AC, you have fan also, light, everything. This is our stay. In the jungles you can see, guys, how beautiful it is.
bonfire campfire ಅಡಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Parota, sabji, and some rice. Thanks, man. ಗೋವಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್. We got freshen up and we took around 3 hours of rest. We slept for 3 hours and we had a fire camp. Then we had a dinner, buffet dinner, and now we are checking out of the room. So everything is getting packed here. So we are checking out at 11:50 p.m. We have a train to Bangalore. So maybe tomorrow around 12:30, 1 p.m. we'll reach Bangalore. Umesh Anna. Okay. Say bye-bye to this resort. Bye-bye kulem, bye-bye Dhudhsagar. So now we got into the train. It's what's the time, right? 12. It's 12 a.m. It's 12 a.m. So hopefully we'll reach Yeshwantpur by tomorrow 12:30, 1 p.m. approximate. Bye bye. Good night. We reached 30 minutes early. 12 p.m. we reached Yeshwantpur. Bye bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip, enjoyed the trekking. Let's meet in next trip, guys. Hopefully Manali next trip or Kerala. Which one?
I'm in for both.
What about you, Umesh? Kerala or Manali? Kerala, is it?
Kerala.
Okay, fine. Okay, bye. Finally back to Elchinhalli. Finally I have reached home. It's 1:20 p.m. in the afternoon, guys. My condition is very bad, completely sweating. So I have to take bath now. That's it, guys. That's it on this vlog. If you like this vlog, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment box. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.